Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and welcome to Mask Monday. Today we are doing a hand mask that is touchscreen compatible, which is super cool. I don't have to depend on my stylist to pause the film or whatever. I want to welcome all my new viewers, my new subscribers that have recently joined my channel. I greatly appreciate you being here. If you want to leave any positive feedback, I greatly appreciate that as well. So we're going to dive right in. This is by Be Pure, whatever. And this is by Fabergé. They're all by Fabergé, the ones I've come across. So they're very popular. Seem to make a lot of. Uplifting, nourishing, softening, hand and nail gloves. Nourishing avocado. One pair. Clean, dry hands, tear open powder. You recommend placing a hand towel. Okay, well, let's get some paper towel ready. I don't want any drippage on my desk, per se. So we're going to get some paper towel out and keep that right here. Throw that away. So we've got two gloves. They're probably, yep. I expected them to be, where are they going to come apart at, folks? That should be where, oh, I can smell it, but they should come apart a lot easier than that. I want to kind of see if I can get these pre-opened at the wrists. Oh yeah, comes right off. Last time when I did the mask, I don't know if I lit this up yet, but anyways, I wasn't able to fasten them at the wrists. So, these are pretty cool. So, ooh, it's leaking. It's leaking out at the wrist. Where is this? So we're going to put these bad boys on. I probably should have taken my polish off first, huh? Oh yeah, get in there. So I got a dry spot on my thumb. Oh, that's not going to stick now. I got wet. Shoot. Shoot, Batman, shoot. Excuse me. Oh, is this one even open? Let's see if I can pry her open. There we go. There we go. I got it. Oops. Shoot.
Hello, Moto.
Let's see if they're really touchstone compatible. Okay. Well, that's not gonna work. This is for your cuticles too. These are avocado. And I got some dry patches right here on my thumb. My index finger here as well. So I'm going to just 15 to 20 minutes on the back of the pouch. I don't know about any leakage because that never happened. It feels like there could be a little bit more in here. So yeah, there isn't enough to leak. So we're going to sit here. It is, by my time, almost 1 p.m. Filming this the day before or something. Hand mask I can film ahead of time. And that's what I'm doing here. So we're going to sit here and let these moisturize and absorb and do their magic. And we'll be back in 15 minutes, maybe 20. Okay, we're back. We're back. It has been 20 minutes. I left them on 20, the full duration. Excuse me. because I need some extra nourishment. My hands are really, really dry. I do put lotion on quite a few times a day, but it doesn't seem to be enough. And I use, you know, in the wintertime like this, I use a good thick heavy lotion, sometimes a hand cream, like Dove hand cream, in the little containers, you know, little screw-off caps or lids. I love those. So I'm gonna, like, I don't know, rub this in, rub these gloves together, and hopefully spread some more nourishment onto my hands, some more of the serum, as they call it. So it is time to take them off. And they're only a one usage thing that you're not supposed to save. You are to throw them away. Discard your gloves properly, in case you have any pets or anything. And then, ooh, this is really, I have some juicy hands here. They say to rub it in. I'm going to take it past the hands up into the arms, the wrist, to the forearm, your arms, whatever. Do this. Ooh, it's juicy there now. It's going to take a while for all this to soak in, but massage it in, they say. Because I got, what is, yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. I have got deep nail beds, I think they're called. And this right here gets really dry. Really dry. So I'm going to rub on that. Rub my cuticles. Probably really should have taken my polish off. I think you're stuck with me here for a couple of minutes because my hands are definitely too wet to, excuse me, to pause or shut off the camera. They are like really, really wet. Really wet. So what do we talk about now? Oh, down in the comments, there'll be a comment pinned with your playlists. Click on it and it takes you to like HILLBILLYS, Creativity, to her, Mask Monday, Vicky's from Glitter Sparkle UK, to her videos for Mask Monday. And you start a playlist so that there's all of my Mask Mondays in a playlist together. I need to do that. My Mask Mondays, I'll call it. So I'm going to keep rubbing this in. And it's starting to absorb. So, which is really good. Just keep rubbing. There's not a strong fragrance from it at all, so that's really nice. You know, some of them are overpowering or just have something you don't like. There's not that at all. So you don't have to worry about that. Ouch. So you're probably ending watching here, and for those of you who have stuck it out for the duration, I greatly appreciate you. I'm trying to learn how to turn on my join button like Leslie has on her video, or her videos. And they have where you can do like super somethings, and I don't know if I want to do all that because that's where it would cost you money, and I don't know if my viewers would be interested in such. I should take a poll on my community page on a YouTube profile channel thing here. I think I might make a post on that on my community tab and see what people think. Should I put the join button on? Where you get like emojis and this, that, and the other, or there's the my thanks button is active, so if anybody would like to, I think it's for, let me see, let me click Leslie's. By Super Thanks, which directly supports, would be directly supporting my channel. You can do like $2, $5, $10, and $50, I believe. So I'm trying to figure out how to turn that on. So if anybody would like to donate to my channel like that and help support products that I can buy to, you know, do my nail art with, my nails, gel polishes, what have you. So that's what I'm trying to do, trying to turn all that stuff on. I know the thanks button works, but, so if anybody would like to do that, thanks button is there. I'm trying to figure out how to turn on the join button, and I think it's the super things, right? There's like 3 levels, or just one level I can pick. And like the one level is $2.99. If you get 3 levels, it's like $6.99. And I don't know if I want to do all that. Okay, these feel kind of sticky now. It is absorbed, but my hands definitely feel sticky. No need to rinse. Well, I beg to differ, because it definitely feels like I need to go rinse my hands, like wash them. It does not. I had such high hopes for this, but they feel kind of sticky. Maybe they need to sit for a little while longer. But this is the hand mask that I did for today. It did feel very nourishing. My hands they just feel so sticky to touch, and I don't know, gummy, sticky. Maybe I need to let them sit for a while longer. I don't know. To touch my face, like, what you shouldn't really be doing with your hands, but they are clean. They feel okay. So maybe they just need to sit for a minute longer. I think they kind of look better. I think I got a sparkle on my hand. I think they look better, though. Let's throw that away. We'll keep the paper towel for stamping. So, that's my findings. Okay, now it's starting to feel, yeah, okay, I just had to sit and absorb a little bit more. You're probably wondering what is on my paws. And then it's this gorgeous, gorgeous brown by Sinful Colors. It is number 20. Let me put my glasses on. 2733 Smoky Palo Santo. Something like that. Just so you can see it. Love this color. I don't have a lot of browns. This is probably the only brown I own for lacquer. Don't have a good brown for gel either. Love this color. I've been wearing that a lot, as well as the Sally Hansen's 573. And this is Hypnotical probably. HYP. I love this one. Look at that. It is just gorgeous. I love this bottle. Cost me, it was like $9, 8 something at Walmart. I was flabbergasted when I seen the receipt when I got home. I figured, what? You've got to be kidding me. But no, it was 8 something a bottle. Yeah, my hands do feel better. I give this one 2 thumbs up. I do like the Nourishing Avocado mask, hand mask. That is keyboard, your cell phone compatible, which is really super cool. So if I find, I get these either at the Dollar Tree or at Walmart. I have a couple of foot masks I want to do. We'll not be doing those in camera, so I'm not sticking my big gorilla feet up here. And I got big feet. I'm 6 foot tall. I'm a tall girl. And I guess I gotta have big feet to hold me up. So my hands do feel better. I think they look better too. This feels better. It's not so dry. As well as around my corners of my nail here. So that feels a lot better. I do like it, or them. This was a good experience. So I hope my review helps you if you ever come across this mask at the Dollar Tree or at Walmart and you think about purchasing it. Miss Sheree from Just Nailed It gave it a 2 thumbs up. So we're going to call it a day. I think I have babbled on long enough. You probably got cauliflower ear or eyes or whatever from listening to me talk. So we're going to end this. This is the end of Mask Monday for today. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.